Why do 90% of creators love these free apps? Let's find out. First up, CapCut. This gem offers professional-grade editing tools for zero cost, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Explore transitions, text effects, and music editing with ease. Next, DaVinci Resolve. Want Hollywood-grade editing? Yeah. DaVinci Resolve's got you covered, absolutely free. Enjoy powerful features like color correction and audio mixing. Now for the Apple enthusiasts, iMovie. Exclusive to Apple devices, iMovie lets you create with simplicity and creativity. Drag and drop your way to stunning videos. For those craving some visual effects, check out HitFilm. This tool is perfect for VFX and advanced editing, and it's all free. Play with green screens and 3D text like a pro. And finally, Canva Video Editor. Need something quick and easy? Canva's drag and drop templates make video editing a breeze, especially for beginners, so don't let budget stop you. These free tools have you covered. Which one will you try first? Hit the subscribe button for more video editing guides and tools. Start editing now and share your creativity with the world.